The first project that we have prepared is a stuff sack. It's the easiest one.
Yes, this is the easiest one. So if you decide to buy this set from us, you will receive all the materials you need and you will receive the pattern, the printed pattern.
Which, I should add, you can download for free from our website.
Yes, you can get it for free. So if you get your old waterproof jacket or a blanket or could be anything, you can just get the pattern, use it and create your own new stuff sack using those materials. But if you decide to buy them from us, you will, in the parcel, you will have the main fabric, which is in this set. This is a piece of 𝗙𝒄𝒚𝒄𝒍𝒆 we use to make our sleeping bags. This is a leftover from the production process. Also, you will get the cord to make the closure, along with the plastic stopper you will need. And if you want to make it a little bit more professional, you can also use a binding tape to finish the raw edges of the fabric. And last but not least, you will get the really nice tag.
Limited edition.
Limited edition, right. So this is the set, and we are in our Cumulus production site. We have got so many nice sewing machines behind us, but because, as we can imagine, most of you haven't got this pleasure to have nice sewing machines, we will use this one, home edition sewing machine. And we have got Ania here, who has no experience with sewing. She has got only a basic knowledge how the sewing machine works.
Yeah, I must admit that I have no skills, no sewing skills at all.
Yes, I have got some, so I will try to guide Ania how to make it, and the same way you will see all the steps to make your own stuff sack. Apart from the sewing machine, but to be honest, you can also use a thread, a needle and your hands. Using the sewing machine just make everything faster and it will be a little bit nicer. But apart from that you will need scissors and you will need some kind of a pencil, or if you have gotten access to a tailor chalk, that will be the best. The first step is to cut the pattern. You can download or you can receive from us, and using the chalk draw it on the piece of the fabric. And this is what we are going to do right now.
Okay, so we've cut the pattern and now we're ready.
Yes, I see. So if you would like to use this pattern for your future projects, then we recommend using a spray glue or just regular glue to attach it to the firmer cardboard. Right now, Ania is going to draw the shape of our pattern on the main fabric. One tip.
Yeah, before we start, it may be obvious, but you should remember not to throw away the instructions, as you will probably need it.
Okay, we have got the shape of the pattern already cut out from the main fabric, and what you need to know is that all the fabrics, they have got a face side and the back side. And right now we are working with the back side of the fabric. We need to fold the fabric along the folding line we marked on the pattern with the red color. And then you need to connect the sides of your new stuff sack.
Yeah, the sides are marked as number 1 on the pattern.
We have got our long sides already sewn together.
Yes, and as you could have seen on the video, we have strengthened the seams so that the stuff sack will be soon stronger.
Yes, it's a really nice step to do this way, like the seam won't get loose over the time. And right now, in the set, you will also receive a binding tape, which you can use or not. You can just leave this edge as it is, or you can try to be more professional. This is what we are going to do right now, and finish the edge with the tape. All you need to do is to fold the tape in half and try to cover this raw edge of the fabric. We have got our sides neatly finished with the binding tape. I really like that. It's a really nice job. And that was side marked as number 1. And then we have got edges marked as number 2.
The next step is creating a tunnel for the drawcord.
Yes, that's true. We have got all the seams nicely finished, and we need to make this tunnel by folding the fabric to the inside along those lines we marked on our pattern as number 3 and number 4. So we have to firstly fold the fabric along number 3, which is roughly 1 centimeter, and then fold it again along the line marked as number 4, which will be another 2 centimeters to the inside. This way we will have this raw edge of the fabric tucked inside the tunnel, and we'll have the tunnel 2 centimeters wide, so our cord will be able to easily slide inside.
At the beginning, remember to leave a small gap for the cord so that it will be easier to open and close the stuff sack. So now the tunnel is ready and the stuff sack is almost ready, because what is left to do is to pull the drawcord through the tunnel.